Hello to everyone. Well, unfortunately, I don't have very nice news today, but I've been forecasting for this earthquake almost 3 months ago when I announced that Europe will be hit with a 6.0 or 5, something between 5 and 6. I said maximum 5.5, but they seized down this earthquake. So in Italy at 4:33 in the morning on Croatian time, local time, there was a strong earthquake. There are dead people. Here it is, and just a moment. 6.2. It was Richter. 38 people died, and hundreds of are under the pieces of these houses, of this material. So let's start in from the beginning. Unfortunately, I will have to show you something, and I have to repeat you that once again if you are not familiar with my work. So the lunar phase was today, when it's 21st day of the moon. It's on 55%. So today the moon was on 55%. 55% of darkness. And this is the worst 55%. I always said that is the worst lunar phase, because 55% always takes victims with this phase of the moon. So every time when some earthquake occurs at 55%, you can be sure there will be a lot of dead people. Why is that so? I don't know, but I discovered this. This is very important. Now let's go to the fact what caused the earthquake. You're gonna be surprised, or maybe you're not. So this is the moment of the earthquake according to my position of the comets, and official time of the earthquake was, just a moment, 4:33. In effect, alignment was at 4:22. 11 minutes later, Catalina V4 hit Montignano in Italy. Here is the epicenter. Now let me show you something. Look at the coordinates of Catalina at that moment. On the upper left corner you can read azimuth. It's 13 degrees and 9.650 minutes. Okay, remember this. 13.9. Okay, now let me show you the coordinates of this. 39, this is decimal, this is not the same. This is the 39, okay? This is the same coordinates as Montignano. Let me show you. Coordinates of Montignano, here it is. I will do edit. Here it is, azimuth 13 degrees and 9 minutes. You see that here? Okay, now, this is very, very strong and very, very fast earthquake, because it takes only 11 minutes to hit the target. Now we have a lot of interesting things here, which is Catalina, which is here, which is in crossing under the 90 degrees, Catalina US 10, another crossing. It's here under the 90 degrees, which is Lemon C 2012 F6. So I don't have to say anything else about this. This is the earthquake in Italy. Catalina is in alignment with this place here. What is on the other side, it's very hard to see because I don't see the other side, so I have to turn around this, but instead of this I will do this. Let me see, here it is. So 4:33, it's 2:33 in the morning. Let me see where it was the moon and the sun at that moment. So we said 4:33, it's 2:33. Now let's change the time. Look at where the moon is. Look at where the moon is. Catalina, it's here. It's in alignment with the moon. You see that here? Here is the Italy, here's the epicenter. Here was the Catalina. Let me exactly show you where the Catalina was. Catalina was under the Sicily, in the part of, in alignment with Egypt. Okay? So now we can easily find that in the card. Just a moment. Here it is. So this is Egypt here, and this is Sicily. So that is, Catalina was right here. Look that alignment with the moon. Look the alignment with the moon. So now I can try to find the moon here. Just a moment. Oh, just a moment. And the serial of this earthquake are continuous later. The moon, yes, it's here. Just a moment. Let me see where the moon was. You will see that it's going. Here is Catalina. You stand. Here it is. You see that? And here is the moon. Okay, here is the moon. Moon was at, let me see, the coordinates of the moon in the moment of the earthquake, and that was in 22 was the alignment. So let me see, in 22 we must change the time in 22. So this is 22. This is very important. Now we can see where the moon was. So position of the moon, here it is, 12:26 north, 37:58 east. This is very important. Only 3 degrees was divided Italy from catastrophic, much more catastrophic earthquake. Because in the case that this one on 1309, which is only less than 1 degree, or 1 degree and something, because it was 1309 and this is less than 1 degree, and this is very, very, luckily the moon was far away, as you can see, in the above the Japan. I can squeeze this also, just a moment, and I can show you the alignment. Now watch this very carefully. You see that? This is Catalina US 10. Now we will move this on that side here. And Catalina, it's here. Look at that here. This is exactly where the Italy is. That high. Okay? So I got nothing more to say. I think I don't have to prove anything because I did prove that so many times, and I don't need to explain myself more than I already did. So one more time, in the moment of the earthquake in Italy, Catalina V4 was right under the place of the, below the epicenter. So what a fucking coincidence that can be, you tell me. This is the epicenter, this is the Catalina, and this is the alignment. Surgery precisely earthquake. Of course, after that, there was more earthquake in Italy. I mean, there's a whole list of the earthquakes. I can show you this, and I will also explain you this, because, let me show you this. There was a slight earthquake before, 5-1, 1 minute, you see what's going on here? So, if you put that in I don't know, in that question here, 6-2, okay, 136, it was this main earthquake. They didn't see that, I'm sorry. 136. So let's see what happened at what. So this is the 5.5 earthquake, sorry. 5.5 earthquake. Now let's go see what happened in the, what is just a moment, what did they say exactly? 136, it's 336. Let's see what will happen in 336. So 3 and 36. 336. Yes, we still have Catalina V4 passing here. Okay, now look, this is very, very interesting, because from this moment on, I will show you now very easily this. I can prove you this very easily. So let me show you this. This is the earthquake here. Now watch a serial earthquake that happened in Italy. Watch this. This is all movement of Catalina. And how Catalina is going away, this is going down. But this one, it's very important, 606. There's another earthquake, 4.5. Let me see what caused this earthquake here. I think that this is the Comet Lemon. So this is the 606. Let me see, 606. What was here at 606? Oh ho ho ho. 606. Here it is. This is the situation, 606. So something is still in alignment with this epicenter. I don't know what is the coordinates. Just a moment of the epicenter still here. 13. Oh, there's only 03. Only 03 plus. So as you can see, we have here Catalina V4. We have Lemon F6. Okay, this is all under the 90 degrees here, and this is, I cannot see it because it's a, this is Comet Lemon. Okay, this is Catalina. This is the Comet Lemon. Comet Lemon, it makes a U-turn, and this is the Comet Lemon here. Okay, this is the Comet Lemon, and this is the Comet Catalina. Okay, perfectly right. So, unfortunately, I cannot bring you all in one picture, because I can easily show you what is going on when I have all in one picture. But these bastards which make this astronomical program is made this astronomical program based on the globe. So you must go turn around this fucking screen around and around to come on another side. And when you came on another side, you cannot see any alignment without being very good mathematician and have very good skills with the calculator and with I don't know, a lot of things, because this is not visible here. And they know that somebody will find out what is going on. That's why they made this. Everything always in a difficult way. People, thank you very much and stay tuned. I will explain also the other earthquakes from today in my next video. Thank you and stay tuned.